I always seem to be in the middle of a woods on my own whenever I do a GoPro video. Today's no different. I really wish this GoPro Volta extended. I really wish it had a selfie stick extender on it. It's just a little bit annoying that it hasn't. So today we're talking about the GoPro Media Mod and more importantly the microphone, because I'm going to say it right from the start, I was wrong about it. I really did slate this thing, and this is the microphone, by the way, you're listening to, the front facing microphone on the GoPro Media Mod. And I said to loads of people, do not get the Media Mod, it's not worth it, it sounds terrible, the microphone's horrible, it's just a waste of money. The only thing you actually get out of it is the fact that you've got a 3.5mm jack in there to put another external microphone in there, so it's like a microphone adapter essentially. Also you get HDMI out, which is okay, it's better for live streaming, so you can have an HDMI clean output to a capture card and get better quality live streaming. It's compatible with the Volta, which is another video entirely. Stay tuned for that if you haven't already. Subscribe, because we do lots of action camera videos on this channel. I've got a lot to say about the GoPro Volta. Yeah, hit subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss that upload, that bombshell coming soon. I have no idea where I am, but this gives me a good chance to test the back facing microphone, because you can swap it around, and this is the back facing microphone with me behind the camera. So that's another good feature with this Media Mod. The one thing you can't do is switch the microphones while you're recording, which is another thing I don't like about the Media Mod. This video was supposed to be about how much I do like the Media Mod, and I'm sort of hitting on all the sort of basic things that it doesn't do. So like I said, it's got its downfalls. It's not the best thing, and it's not the best microphone, but it is a lot better than I originally said it was. Because of one thing, if you turn off wind reduction in the GoPro settings, you go down to Pro Tune in whatever frame rate and resolution you are, go right down. If you turn off wind reduction, it drastically improves the Media Mod microphone audio, and that is what you're listening to now. So if you're going to take anything away from this video, that's the one tip that you need to take away from it. The thing is that it does work better with the GoPro Volta than any other sort of cage you can buy. I've tried a few Lanzi cages, and because the pin on the Lanzi cages is like the fitting on the bottom is a bit longer, it doesn't quite rotate forward and backwards as much as you want it to, and it tends to topple over. The tripod legs on the Volta are just a little bit flimsy, and anything heavier than the Media Mod it just simply can't cope with. So that's why I recommend the Media Mod with the Volta if that's the way you're going. So I'll do a whole other video on the Volta, like I said, but if you are going for the Media Mod, change the audio settings. You can customize the settings on the actual home screen as well, so you can change the microphone front and rear quickly. So set that shortcut up on the home screen as well. That's a brilliant thing to do. But like I said, it still has its shortcomings. It still has the fact you can't change the microphone during recording. It's not the best sounding audio. It has got a couple of extra cold shoes built into the Media Mod, and that's what I'd recommend. I'd recommend you using the 3.5mm jack on the Media Mod, have an external audio source plugged into this still to get the ultimate audio. But see, I've been struggling with using the GoPro. I think I've been using it wrong. I think a lot of people are using it wrong. We're trying to create these amazing vlogging setups with external audios, lights, big tripods, cages, ND filters, and that's not really what this camera is designed for. This camera is designed for run and gun, action sports, vlogging on the go, just holding it nice and quickly, and this is what the setup the GoPro have come up with, and it works really well. The Volta with a Media Mod, the built-in microphone, that's the best setup when you start adding stuff to it, it's not really designed for that. ND filters don't work because you can't use stabilization. External microphones are just generally, even the micro, the Rode Video Micro is bulky and sort of gets into the shot a little bit. Other tripods are heavy and haven't got a built-in battery. The Volta has got a built-in battery and it's quite light. So what I'm trying to say is, don't go over the top with your GoPro setup like I have. Bought a myriad of different accessories to try and make this the cinematic B-roll beast vlogging all-in-one setup, and it just doesn't work like that. This thing is built for this. Use it sparingly and use it as it was meant to be used, as an action camera with some other sort of abilities on the side. That's what it is. I still love it for vlogging. I still think it's going to be my setup for just traveling, walking around the woods, doing different videos, like a B camera for when I go out and about recording stuff. Still love it, but it's not that all-encompassing, all-in-one perfect camera that we all want it to be, and I think it's just a matter of making peace with that. This is probably the best accessory you can buy, the Volta, although I've got some opinions on it. Stay tuned for that video coming soon. But the fact that it's got this clip on the side, this other mount that clips out, and you can have that on my backpack mount and carry it around, that's a bit of a game changer for me. I love this. I've made the mistake of trying to pimp up my GoPro way too much. Use it as it was meant to be used. That's what I'm going to do from now on. The Media Mod, it fits well. It's designed to go with the GoPro, so I would fully recommend it. I'm hoping they would bring out some kind of dead cat to put on here rather than just a pop filter to negate that wind noise when we've got wind reduction turned off as well, just a little bit more. But like I said, there's improvements to be made, but stop using your GoPro in the wrong way. Use it how it was designed to be used. That's it for this video though. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you not make the same mistake as I've made many times, and I'll see you on the next one. See you soon guys, bye.